The clothes to be washed, water, detergent, and fragrance goods. First, we put water into the basin. Then, mix in the detergent and stir until it forms. After that, we put in the clothes to be washed and soak them 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we brush the clothes to remove dust or dish stuck to the clothes. Next, we rinse the clothes using clean water. Then, add the fragrance and let it sit for about 15 minutes. And finally, squeeze the clothes and then dry them in the sun. Okay guys, that's the procedure how to wash without a washing machine. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.